Vroom, vroom. And we'll hit this one later. Doesn't look as wet as I thought it would be. The entrance to that place is usually flooded. A lot of pine needles in the road. The smell of pine in the air, it's kind of refreshing. I like it. Well, let's check out the road conditions. Right here, they're pretty good. You can see we're digging in. It's a wet sand. Of course, it's Florida, so we're pretty much always going to be in sand. Pretty peaceful out today. Pretty humid out, but currently it's only 83 degrees according to the bike. Yeah, this still is pretty soft. Looking for a deer. I don't see any deer yet. It's early enough we might be able to see some deer. It's kind of soft to walk in. Well, as you all know, we got the Africa Twin today and a hitchhiker. Oh well, found a place out of the wind. The 2022 Honda Africa Twin L DCT version. Let's continue on. Let's ride. Little tree debris in the road. This Honda Africa Twin has been a beast. No problems, no worries. I wouldn't be afraid to hop on it and go anywhere in the country or the world. I can only imagine what this thing would do with a better rider. Still been having a lot of fun though. And we got a little water. And if you guys are looking ahead like I am, looks like a lot of sand up there. Little mud back there. I personally prefer these two tracks. The ground's a little harder usually, and when there's vegetation growing in there, typically not quite as sandy. like we have a little obstacle in the road up here. I don't like when they're moving towards me. It takes a lot of the fun out of the game. Well, that very well could have been flooded. They put some giant baby head rocks down there. Wasn't too bad. A little rough. Well, so far out here we haven't really seen much. Some birds. A cow that gave me a funny look. But let's keep exploring. Quite a bit of water over here. For those of you wondering why I'm going around those puddles, I have to clean the bike. And they're a little slippery. Okay, not gonna lie, that was kind of rough. Remember when I said I liked the vegetation? Apparently vegetation means water. Oh crap, more rocks. Not nearly as bad. Okay, now the vegetation's just hiding the muck. I remember a minute ago and said, hey, let's check out that road. Well, we did. That was fun, wasn't it? Now I have to wash the bike. But it was a pretty cool ride. Wasn't very easy to look for deer or any other wildlife. Kind of busy concentrating.